A tree tries to grow, and gives up. A flower blooms, just for a week. A frog freezes solid in winter and literally comes back to life. This isn't fiction. This is Tuesday in the Tundra. The Tundra doesn't care if you're cute or clever. It's the wilderness equivalent of someone slamming the fridge door open and yelling, "Who left the heat on?" Except it's cold. All the time. Too cold for most life, too wild for most stories. Yet somehow, life refuses to quit. And what it does to survive, that's where things get weird. Like, a plant that grows sideways for 100 years and still only reaches ankle height kind of weird. Stick around. What you're about to learn will completely change how you see cold, life, and maybe even your own idea of resilience. Let's start with this. The tundra is not just one place. It's a whole personality of the planet. It stretches across Alaska, Canada, Siberia, and even sneaks into the top of Scandinavia. And don't forget Antarctica's dry valleys, the only places on the icy continent that are technically tundra and not just one giant freezer. There are two main types, Arctic tundra and alpine tundra. Arctic tundra lies near the North Pole, while alpine tundra pops up on mountaintops where trees say, "Yeah, no thanks," and turn back. Both have one thing in common, conditions so extreme, it's like Earth's version of a zero-chill X. The ground? Frozen. Permanently. It's called permafrost, and it's not just cold. It's locked in a 1,000-year cold war with anything trying to grow roots. Just beneath the surface, it's ice cement. The surface soil thaws in summer, but not by much, maybe 20 centimeters deep. Enough to fool a moss into thinking life is good. And don't let the summer part fool you. At its warmest, you're still wearing 3 jackets and arguing with the wind. Now here's where things get brilliant. Plants in the tundra? Total underdogs. No trees, too risky, too windy, too frozen. But mosses, lichens, grasses, and tiny flowering plants? These guys have hacks that would make any survivalist jealous. Arctic willow. Nicknamed the ground hugger, it doesn't grow up because the wind would shred it. So it grows sideways. For real. A whole tree lying down like it gave up on life but is still committed to photosynthesis. Lichen. Part fungus, part algae, total team player. Lichens can survive being dried out for years, then come back to life when water shows up. Kind of like that one friend who only texts back when they're bored. Tufted saxifrage. This plant grows in tight clusters using group heat like a mini cuddle pile. Also it flowers faster than a TikTok trend. Blooms, seeds, and dies in a matter of days. Reindeer moss. Which isn't actually moss but a lichen again. It's like the tundra's favorite flavor. It can survive extreme radiation and drought. So basically it's the cockroach of the plant world, but make it frosty and nutritious. This squirrel doesn't nap. It dies. Kind of. Its body temperature drops below freezing. Its heart slows to 1 beat every 20 seconds. Brain activity? Barely a flicker.